Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Study. Today I will discuss about the English period. The English period is divided into 8 parts. Number 1, the classical period, and the classical period lasts from 1200 BCE to 455 CE. And this period is subdivided into 4 parts. Number 1, Homeric or heroic period, that is 1200 to 800 BCE, and then classical Greek period that lasts from 800 to 200 BCE, and then classical Roman period 200 to 455 CE, and then patristic period that lasts circa 70 CE to 455 CE, and then the medieval period. So it was the classical period, number 1, and then number 2, the medieval period that lasts from 455 CE to 1485 CE, and this period is divided into 2 parts: the Old English time or the Old English period, and then the Middle English period. The Middle English period is divided into 3 parts: early Middle English period from 1100 to 1250, and then central Middle English period 1250 to 1400, and at last late Middle English period, that is 1400 to 1500. And then number 3, the Renaissance and Reformation period that lasts from 1485 to 1660 CE, and it is also subdivided into 5 parts. Number 1, early Tudor period from 1485 to 1558, and then Elizabethan period 1558 to 1603, then Jacobean period 1603 to 1625, Caroline age 1625 to 1649, and then Commonwealth period or Puritan interregnum, that is 1649 to 1616. And then number 4, the Enlightenment or neoclassical period from 1660 to 1790. It is divided into 3 parts: Restoration period 1660 to 1700, then the Augustan age 1700 to 1750, and then the age of Johnson 1750 to 1790. And next, number 5, the Romantic period that lasts from 1790 to 1830 CE, then Victorian period 1832 to 1901, then the modern age, number 7, modern age 1900 to 1945, and then the postmodern age 1950 to 2000 CE. So that is for today. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, please share to your friends, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.